Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel Preschool Education Hub. Today we have a different topic to discuss. Not to discuss, but I would like to share my thoughts through this topic. And the topic is parents' responsibility. As we all know, kids used to go to school, but now we all know that home has become the new school because of this pandemic. But till when, no one knows. No one has the answer till when the kids has to stay at home to study. But here comes the parents' responsibility. They have to teach their kids how to behave when a class is going on. I have observed, even my kids also have told me many times how the other kids are behaving when a teacher is busy taking their class. So I thought to make one video on this topic. So let us. No one knows till when we all have to suffer from this current pandemic. It has changed everyone's life. But life has to move on. So the kids study. Now here schools are doing their bit. Teachers are busy with their work as they have to teach kids. So the kids will be ready for next year for the next class. They will not miss anything and it will be less burden on their mind. Kids' education should not be affected whatever it is. First, I would like to salute all the teachers who are managing classes without getting hampered. They are preparing PPTs, recording videos, sending audio and video files to kids without fail. So kids are studying instead of watching TV. So they are not just wasting their time. They are learning there something. They are on their way to learn something, to grow, to learn. But teachers are doing their bit, schools are doing their bit. But as a parents, what are we doing? I mean to say, when a child is attending an online class, is it not a parent's duty to check the child's behavior in the online classroom? Yes, it's the time for the parents to check what the child is doing. When the teacher is busy to teach one concept, some kids will be laying easily on bed. They just watch the computer. They are not listening. They are not paying attention to the teacher. They are just watching the computer. As it is a new thing for them just to learn something. But as they are habitual, they know they can play the video games. They can play the games on computer. But when it's time to learn something, do you think this is the correct way to sit in a classroom? Can they learn like this just sitting on the bed? I don't think so. Or they sit like this too casually. Can they sit like this in a classroom, school's classroom? No, never. Because what happens when they sit like this? Their mind will not be in a position to grasp the learning as mind is in a rest mode. So how can they learn in an online classroom sitting like this? This is the one topic that the parents' responsibility to see how my child is sitting in the classroom or when the class is going on, or you can say the online. Even some kids will have their breakfast in an ongoing classroom. Sometimes mothers are also standing there just to check what teacher is teaching. It would be better if a child finishes his or her breakfast before the class, or child can wait till class gets over. I'm sure nothing will happen in half an hour if a child doesn't eat. Either child should finish before the class or the child should wait once the class gets over. Even sometimes teachers are busy explaining the concept, but kids will try to talk with someone or interrupt the class by asking or saying unnecessary questions. Teachers keep on requesting, please mute your mic, but kids will talk to their friends. Kids should wait for their turn to ask some doubts. Teachers has to request umpteen numbers of times to keep quiet. Now, as we all know that now all teachers are working from home, they also have kids to look after. Now they have to do all alone. No helping hand, no maid. Some teachers must be having newborn, toddlers, school-going kids. They have to take care everyone. All alone, their kids also must be attending online classes. And they have to take care everyone at home and online class. So please give some respect, show some courtesy by following some tips. Here the parent's responsibility to teach a child how the child must behave in home classroom. They should not eat anything during class. They should not sit in night suits or any pajamas. They should not shout or scream or call their friends. Even parents also should not go and check the teachers. Kids should not interrupt the teachers in the middle of the session. They can wait because I'm sure once the class gets over, teachers will ask them, okay, if they have any doubts, so they can clear with the teacher. If kids follow these, teachers will be happy because teachers want only attention in their class. And this is the respect which all teachers want, and we all should respect this. This is my request from all the parents. Please teach these behaviors to their kids, how they have to behave in an online classroom. Thank you so much for watching the videos, and if you like it, please subscribe the channel and you can share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.